New Christmas update in Bubblegum Simulator Infinity. The new Christmas update is here with a brand new map. 3 new islands. Oh, look at the new islands. New pets. Futures on new currency, snowflakes. A brand new snowflake currency. Oh, how do I go down? I forget. I actually forget that I can jump in this game. Christmas event. Wait, I have to pay? Okay, we just paid. We just paid for the brand new Christmas island. We have 0 snowflakes. 0 snowflakes. We have to collect a bunch of snowflakes. Really? We just gotta go door to door? We really gotta go door to door to collect these Christmas spins. Okay, that's pretty lame. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty lame. Claim rewards. Advent calendar. There you go. Get some free potions. So what is in the Christmas shop? How do I get the new pets? Where's the new egg? There it is, the brand new egg. I didn't even unlock it, huh? Oh my god, I have to go all the way up to the top to even unlock this one. Okay, first of all guys, redeem these codes. Open up your shop. Click on the codes. Follow along, redeem every single of these codes. The brand new Christmas update of Bubblegum Simulator Infinity. The first code is going to be OG. OGBSG. OGBSG. Throwback. Throwback, as well as update 16. Wait, which update are we on right now? Already redeemed this code. I have already redeemed these codes. There you go. Code L. Christmas code. Sorry for shutdown. Jolly code. Admin abuse. OG BSG. Mate nerd. Rip soul. Rip soul bland. Halloween. Super puff. Corn maze. So many potions. So many free potions. You get infinite free potions. There you go. Wait, what's up top? Magma. Magma man. Anyways, this was the new Christmas update in Bubblegum Simulator. If you do want to get yourself to the next island, you have to jump all the way up. These are the new pets. Snowflakes. Candy cane. Festive gifts in every single of these houses. Christmas keys. There you go, we got a Christmas key.